All right. So in my quest to talk to you about why mobile websites are important and maybe even why you need a mobile website, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend like I'm in the foreign city. I'm in a city that I'm not familiar with, never been there before, and I want some pizza. So I'm going to look up pizza on here, and let's see what happens. Alrighty, so I want to look for some pizza. So let's just say, okay, I'm going to look for pizza. Okay, let's go to Maps, and let's go to Search. All right, so I don't know if you can see it, but I put pizza in the search area. So I hit Search. So anyway, I hit this button right here, which shows my current location, which is that blue dot that's kind of, that's my current location. So anyway, that shows my current, that little blue dot shows my current location. And then it shows this down here, that's probably a Pizza Hut. It says there's a Domino's. So it shows me all the pins of all the pizza places that are around the area that I'm in. Okay. So what happens now is if I go ahead and say, well gosh, these are really close to me, and I press on one of them, and it's like, okay, there's a Papa Murphy's. There's a Little Caesars. There's a Napoli's Pizza. So anyway, it shows me everything in the area. Well, if you have a location-based business, I think you need to be on this map because, you know, here I am. I'm ready to eat pizza. I'm ready to buy right now, and you know, it's going to show me who's there. Now, let me see. Let's go to Domino's Pizza. So I go to Domino's Pizza, and it has their number. If I want to call their number, I just click on it. And let's just hang up on them. Ha ha. And it has a home page on here. It also has their address. And I click on the home page. Let's go there real quick. And this is Domino's. And see, Domino's is smart enough that they have a mobile website. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, I don't know if you know this, but if you try and go to a regular website on a mobile phone, it's like very tiny and very hard to read. But here's a mobile website. Hey, order from menu, find a store, coupons and promos, track my order, log into my account. Hey man, that's easy. So I can just order the pizza here right online. Now we're going to pretend here that I'm just a fanatic for Cici's Pizza and just no other pizza will do. So I'm going to type in specifically not just pizza but Cici's Pizza. So I hit search. Did you mean Cici's Pizza? Yeah, well I forgot the apostrophe. Yes, thank you, iPhone. That's what I did mean. Okay. So there's Cici's Pizza, and well, this one's much closer to me, so I click on that, Cici's Pizza, right? And I can click on that. And this is all on, this is Google Places. It's on Google Maps, Google Places, so it's got the phone number, so I could just touch this and dial their phone number and talk to them. It has their address. They're on 204 North Greenville Avenue in Allen, Texas. And I can get directions to there. And but let's say that I just had some kind of burning question. I had to look at their website for something. So I can click on their website, and it's going to pull up their website. Now look at this website. This website is a white blank page. Now do you know why it's a white blank page? Well, because these guys are not as internet savvy and on top of things as Domino's is. Now this is very tiny. This is typical of a regular website that isn't optimized for mobile. And I'm going to zoom in on it. So I actually have to take my fingers and kind of zoom in on it like this. On the iPhone, you kind of spread it apart and it zooms in. And gosh, I don't even see it now. Oh, up at the top, there's the message. At the top of the screen, it says, at the very top, Flash 9 required. Okay. Well, some websites that are not optimized for mobile, number one, if you have Flash on them, then it doesn't show you anything. This is their website on a mobile application. This is their website on a mobile phone. Do you remember Domino's? I mean, which one do you want? You want this blank page, or do you want something like Domino's had? Yeah. So Domino's has it down, CC Pizza doesn't. So in this new paradigm where people are out and about and consulting the iPhone or their smartphone, or Android phone, whatever, for information, do you want to be the blank page? Or do you want to be the page that's too small that you can't see it? Or do you want to be the one that is completely usable? That's up to you. Here is an example of a mobile website directory. It's called dallason.mobi. Okay, and this is my website. And you can see that it's, it works great on a mobile phone. So let me see, if I wanted to go to a mobile directory. So, you can have your own mobile website, or you can just be in a directory. Let's just say that I was looking for a plastic surgeon in the Dallas area. I click on that, and there it is. Okay, Dr. Diane Gibby, female plastic surgeon. Has information about her, has information about the procedures she does, and there's her phone number. I can just click on that and it will call her. Or I can click on her website, and her website knows that it's a mobile website, and it shows a completely usable mobile website. So here we are. We can click on that to call. We can look at the map, see where she's located, click on that, go to Google's Maps, or we can go to her Facebook account. We can go to procedures, her bio. Let's go to her bio. So anyway, there's her bio. Now, to show you what this looked like before we made a mobile website for her, let me show you what she had before we created a mobile website for her. Okay, now this is what her website would look like if they did not have a specific mobile version of their website online. So, you know what? I mean, look at my finger. Do you think I can read this text? I mean, this is her full website like you see on your desktop computer. I cannot read this, okay? It is absolutely impossible for me to read this. So, there is one reason for you right there to understand why you need a mobile website. Because this website is pretty much unusable for me on a mobile phone. It looks great on a desktop version, but it's unusable. So what you have to do with something like this is you have to kind of expand way in. Now I've got to scroll up, scroll to the right. Oh heck, there's contact. Okay, then I can click on that. And another page comes up that's too small for me to read, and then I can zoom in and look for her phone number, and they're making me work here to find out their information. If I want to see her bio, oh gosh, here's the bio. I scroll down. Oh, I'm still on Contact Us. What happened? So I click bio again. Okay, there's her bio now. Do you think I can read this? Look at the size of my finger. Okay, now I've got to zoom in and scroll down. So I mean, this is real work. I would much rather go to a mobile website and have it all made for the mobile phone. So people are on the go. If you go into any mall or any place, restaurants, you will see people all over their mobile phones, checking their email, going to websites. And what if you happen to send somebody a link in website? unless that link is going to a mobile version of your website, then you're losing them. You know, they can't see it. And what we've done with this particular client is when you go to www.drgibby.com, it knows, it says, okay, this person is on their desktop computer, show them the full website. If you're on a mobile phone, it says, hey, this guy's on a mobile phone, show him the mobile version of the website. So everything's covered. So, I mean, you just have to adapt to this new environment because otherwise you're just losing people. So if she wants to send somebody an email or somebody wants to refer her to somebody else and they happen to check it on their mobile phone, then they're going to get a version that they can use instead of a version that's going to, you know, make them work at it. And, you know, pretty soon you say, you know, forget it. You say, I'll look at this later, and then you never do.